All right, here we go. Question number 7 from our Precalculus homework number 1 in MyLab Math. Here they want us to find the domain of the function. This time our function is a square root function. So if you watched the previous homework video, we said that sometimes when you're looking for the domain, what you really need to look for first are the restrictions, if there are any. And a square root function does have a restriction. We know that the radicand must be greater than or equal to 0. The radicand is the stuff under the radical. So here 6x minus 48 must be greater than or equal to 0. Once I solve for x, I'll have my restriction. Moving the 48 over makes it positive. Divide both sides by 6. And we get x is greater than or equal to 8. This is not the domain. This by itself is the restriction. If we want it to be the domain, we're going to have to dress it up a bit. So for set notation, we're going to say the domain is the set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to 8. That is the domain in set notation. Notice that our instructions say to write the answer in interval notation. So if we have to be greater than or equal to 8, that means that the x values will start at 8. We're going to use a bracket to indicate that 8 is included in the domain. And we will continue to infinity. And an infinity always gets a parenthesis. So this would be the domain written in interval notation. We're going to need to get the bracket from the keyboard, 8 to infinity from the toolbar, and we're done. So if you have any questions or comments from that particular problem, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me, and thanks for watching.